Every single time I make a potato recipe, it always turns out incredible because potatoes are super versatile, very filling, and they're so easy to whip up. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple chili lemon potato wedges, which are going to turn out spicy, flavorful, with a very nice onion flavor, and the chili spice makes the potatoes absolutely mouth-watering. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. This recipe is all about readily available ingredients which you have in your kitchen, but the key ingredient is lemon chili spice, which you can find at any well-stocked supermarket, and it's going to add in a very nice flavor to your potatoes. So you're going to peel, this is around a kg of potatoes that are cut up into wedges. Also, you're going to prep up some onion. This is 1 large onion, coriander, a few spices, ketchup, and your cooking oil. The recipe is so simple. So I'm going to place a frying pan with cooking oil over medium high flame. Wait for around a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot, and if your potatoes are not dry, you're going to pat using a kitchen towel so that you can make sure the potatoes are dry before adding into your cooking oil. Remember, water and oil don't mix, so you don't want to burn yourself. You're going to check if the cooking oil is ready by inserting a skewer. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready for you to place in your potatoes. You can also drop in 1 piece of potato to check if the oil is ready. If the potato floats, the oil is ready to place in your potatoes. Carefully, I'm going to drop in more potatoes into the cooking oil. Fry your potatoes for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the potatoes are halfway cooked. Avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and your potatoes are going to sip in oil and turn out so good. So see you after a couple of minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked halfway, this is how they're going to be looking. So you're going to drain off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Add in your next round. Once more, you're going to toast the potatoes using a skimmer and fry halfway. When the second batch is ready, you're going to scoop out, shake off excess oil and transfer to the rest. And to make the potato wedges super crispy, you're going to wait for around 10 to 20 seconds so that the oil can get very hot. Then you're going to double fry your potato wedges and they're going to turn out very crispy and crunchy. When the oil is ready, but it's not smoking hot, you're going to place back your potatoes into the cooking oil. And fry for around 10 to 15 seconds at most. 10 to 20, yeah. Also, don't overcrowd because you need the potato wedges to be crispy once you bite into. In those 10 to 20 seconds, the potatoes are going to get a perfect golden brown color, which is going to be looking so good and gorgeous. Just make sure to toast the potatoes as they're frying and be careful you don't splash oil on yourself. I've done that several times. And when the potatoes are looking this gorgeous, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a bowl or to another plate lined with kitchen paper towel. At this point, your kitchen should be smelling incredible because of the potatoes frying. I'm going to add in my last round. So carefully, I'm going to place into the cooking oil. Toss using my skimmer and fry for 10 to 20 seconds. Double frying your potatoes is going to take around 20 minutes. So just hang in there because this is a very simple recipe. Once ready, I'm going to put out the flames, scoop out my potatoes, transfer to the rest. The crunch is just amazing. The potatoes are super crispy. Your potatoes should be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Just look at that. I'm going to transfer my frying pan to another burner. Pick another pan because we're going to be adding that nice chili lemon kick to the potato wedges. Place over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then you're going to add in your thinly sliced large onion. Grab a spatula. Stir in the onions. I'm going to reduce the flames to medium-low. Cook my onions for around a minute until the onions are soft. You don't need color on your onions for this recipe. So once the onions are wilted down, you're going to add in half of your potatoes. Toss. Add in a pinch of black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and the key ingredient, which is chili lemon spice. That is a teaspoon. Toss. Toss once more as everything is cooking, and the garlic powder is going to add in a very nice garlicky flavor to the potatoes, while the chili lemon is going to add in a kick of spiciness with a hint of lemon. That is that zesty tingle on your tongue, and it's going to be fantastic. So at this point, I'm going to add in a little bit of ketchup, around 2 tablespoons, and the ketchup is also going to add in a little bit of tang and sweetness to the potato wedges. Toss. Toss, and my oh my, just look at that. Add in lots of coriander. Toss the coriander. Just look at that. Fantastic. Put out the flames after garnishing, and you are ready to serve your delicious chili lemon potato wedges. And there you go. Because the potatoes were very crispy before adding in the ketchup and the seasoning, you can see the potatoes have a very nice crispy edge, and they've soaked in all those nice spices, the ketchup, the chili lemon spice, which is totally amazing. I'm going to try out. So I'm going to grab a fork. Wow. We have that nice lemon flavor from the chili lemon spice, and we have some tanginess, sweetness, everything that you want in every single bite. Perfection. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.